Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Muhammad Usman Awan, and in this video we are going to see how to calculate IRR by using Microsoft Excel just in 1 minute, right? So if you see this document, the left side of this document contains the information and the guide for the beginners to calculate the IRR. And if you see the right side of this document, there is a table, and in this table this is a investment or a cash outflow, and these are the inflows, or basically the profit which we are getting every year, right? So for example, if I have say if I say that I want to calculate the IRR for all of these values, then what I will do, I will click here, and the result of IRR will be shown here. So click here and come to the formulas, and in formulas click insert function, and in insert function from a category you have to select all, and now you have to scroll down and you have to find IRR, right? So just scroll down and find IRR, and here you see IRR, select and click OK. And now if you see in the values, they're asking for the values for which you want to calculate IRR. So what is the simplest way? Click here and select all of the values for which you want to calculate IRR, right? So it's range from the M9 to M14. So after selecting the values, again click here, and now it's asking for the guess values. So what you need to do is to leave the guess field blank. No, there is no need to write anything here, okay? And click OK. And when you will click OK, you will see the IRR rate for your values, which is 23% in this case. So I hope this short video is very useful for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.